I was wondering what to do for a video, and I just remembered I got boxes that I haven't opened yet. This one is from my friend Sal. Yeah, Sal, S-A-L. Ooh, he included a letter. Okay, it's not for you to see, only me. Let's see. Okay, I'll read that in a little bit later. What do we got? Alrighty. Hope they fit. Alright, let's see. I hope they fit too. These look pretty good. Are they mediums? They fit good. Medium. Yeah. Nice. Clean. No damage. Oh, this stuff is packed well. Look at that. And this is like a butcher paper, right? Is that what that is? This was given to me. I might just mess it up. It's a regifted. Yeah. He's got kind of the same kind of sense of humor that I do. Yeah. See, he doesn't mind telling me it's regifted. And if I regift it, I don't mind telling the receiver that I regifted. Yeah. All right. Hey, it's Obsidian. What else, Captain Obvious? It's awesome Obsidian. Yeah. I don't see any major cracks on it, so. All right, let's see. We'll see. We'll nap it later. All right, this is a mystery one. Do you guys like unboxings? I kind of do, but sometimes it's not that good when I watch unboxing videos. Let me see. They said was heat treat already. Oh, that's interesting. Well, let me give you my unexpert opinion because I have trouble figuring out if stuff is heat treated. Let's see. I'm going to take a flake. I don't think so. I don't think it's a heat treat. No. It would be, the termination would be a lot more ripply, and there would be a difference in gloss. This is the same. So I don't think it's heat treat. It naps easily though. And Sal is from Texas, so that's what this stuff is. It looks like it's local, except for the Obsidian. So maybe it's not all local. I reused that packaging material, don't worry. Yeah. Ooh, this is like Owl Creek type of stuff. Kind of, sort of. No? It's an amoeba chert. It needs heat. Yeah. It'll make a nice point because the color is a little bit unusual. Yeah. It almost looked like an Owl Creek, but this is not. This is just a dark chert. Okay. Easy to nap, but probably responds well to heat. I'm going to make sure that I get my heat treats organized this time around this year. Last time I did a lot of heat treats, but they were all disorganized. Yeah, last year's heat treats, that was kind of a spaz. This year's heat treats, I hope to organize it much better. What is it? Did he write a note? There's no note. Oh, yeah, this one looks like Medina County chert. Is it Medina County? Yeah. We'll see. Let me see. It could be better. It could be worse. Let's see. Maybe it's West Texas stuff. Hey, it's got some gloss to it. All right, well, let's see. Ooh, it naps just like a heat treat. This might be a heat treat. Look how... Come on. Look how thin that is. How thin can I make an arrowhead? That thin. Yeah. You might say, that's cheating. You don't make arrowheads out of this stuff. Not supposed to. Well, no one says I can't do it. Look, I can claim that I have like 18:1 with the thickness ratio with this. Yeah. Let me see. I just, out of curiosity, someone asked me, how thin can I make an arrowhead? I can make it this thin. Yeah. See that? That is 1/16. Yeah. If it's an inch down here, it's like 16:1. Yeah. That's how thin I can make an arrowhead. 16:1, maybe 17. 18:1, right there. 18:1. All I gotta do is trim it around. I can make an arrowhead 18:1 with the thickness ratio. I know what you're saying, but it counts, right? Technically, yeah. This may not be great. Yeah. And a smile. Yeah. You are funny. All right, here we go. This might not be great. Well, let's see. I don't want to sell it short too quickly. Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. I have some of this stuff. It's kind of finicky, but it naps really well. And it has this cool translucency if I can get it thin. Yeah, but I've made small arrowheads out of it before. Yeah, it's not bad, actually. This stuff's not bad. But you can't heat this stuff. If it's the same stuff I'm thinking about, you can't heat it because it'll blow up. It'll crack, it'll pop. It doesn't like heat at all. And I think it's already nature's heat treat, because see how ripply that is? That's one indicator that it's very easy to nap, and it's been exposed to heat, maybe in nature or by humans. But yeah, it should nap really well for small arrowheads. Cool. All right, let's see. Yeah, I know what that dark stuff is. Once in a while, that'll pop up at a nap-in. Someone will have a large piece, and I'll collect the debitage from whatever that guy's napping, and it makes small arrowheads out of it. Where is my thing I'm looking for? I'm looking for the box cutter. I had a button. Here it is. See, I have this to speed up the process. What kind of paper is this? I don't know. Yeah, see, this is wrapped well. Yeah. No damage at all to any of these pieces so far. Sometimes I get stuff in the mail and it's dinged up. Okay, ready? Let's see. Did it do it? Voila. Yeah, let's get a thumbnail like this. Let's see, hold on. Take a picture. Yes. I like this stuff. I've been napping a bunch of stuff similar to this recently. Of course, it's heat treated, but this looks like I can nap it without heat treatment. Yes. Especially right off the cortex. It might get nasty in the middle though, but this cortex piece, nice. And no, you can't have it. I'm not selling any boxes until further notice of materials. Yeah, it's all going to be points and hafted items and maybe some arrows and stuff. Okay, I don't have enough to be selling boxes of flakes and stuff anymore, or bifaces. I have a limited supply. Whatever you see that I'm getting in this box is like I'd say 20% of the large pieces, and the large pieces that are not these are not any good. I have to heat treat them. These look pretty good. Let me see. Did it do it? Let's see if it skimmed off a good piece. Ready? Get ready. Voila. That's also excellent stuff. Yes. All right, and you can't have it. I need it for my points I'm going to be making. Yeah, Vermont is the land of no flint or chert. Unless you want to gather it illegally. Yeah, there are places where you can get it, but it's on public property. You're not supposed to be collecting from. Yeah, there is chert in Vermont. It's not near here. I'm in let's see, I'm in southeast Vermont, sort of, kind of. Up in northwest Vermont, there is chert and knappable stuff. But unless you know the property owner, you cannot harvest it legally or gather it. Hey, oh, I know. Yeah, I know this stuff. What is this? Is it raw? Is it R for raw? Probably. This has got a heavy, very, very tough cortex. It's a root beer chert, obviously. And we'll see. I'll try to knap a blade out of this. I'll probably try to get it on video. It naps well raw, but it also can be heated. So I'll probably heat some of these flakes and spalls that come off. But yeah, it's nice. Nice root beer. Maybe R stands for root beer. I don't know. Did he leave a note on that one? I didn't even know. No, I didn't see one. He'll mention it in the comments. You skipped a note. Yeah. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, same kind of stuff. It's a root beerish looking stuff. A root beerish looking chert. Yes. Same stuff. It's high grade stuff. It's just going to be a little challenging because it is cortex covered. It's got a thick cortex, so that's a little challenging to remove, but I think once you get that off, it's going to be nice. All right. Can I heat treat it just like that? I don't recommend to heat treat big pieces of that stuff. The darker the chert or flint, at least from Texas, the more unpredictable it is with heat. A lot of those darker ones don't need heat, and if you heat them anywhere near 350, they start to pop and crack. You need to go way down near 300 to be safe, or maybe 275 degrees Fahrenheit to safely heat the really dark root beer stuff. Okay, this is a tabular piece mystery chert. Let's see. It looks like what I call ranch rock, but hold on. The Native Americans didn't knap much of this. So you find it on ranches. Yeah, it will heat treat. But yeah, it is that ranch rock looking stuff, but it's not bad. It's not a bad quality chert. I have seen some artifacts made of this, but small artifacts like Kara points, arrow points. It has speckly type of coloration. Yeah. But I have not seen many artifacts made of this stuff. It's mostly the other stuff. The root beer and the amoeba cherts. Okay. P for Pedernales. It's an amoeba chert. I don't know what P stands for. It looks like it's high grade stuff. Okay, let's take off a flake. Let's see. Ready? Nice. Yeah, it's a high grade amoeba chert. Okay. So he sent a bunch of high grade amoeba cherts. This is high grade stuff. Yeah, 3 high-grade amoeba cherts. Nice. And sometimes I can capture some of this color variation. See how it grades into this other color? But it's hard to capture this within an arrowhead because it's not always that great to knap. Sometimes you can get that. Like some artifacts, some arrowheads will have this in the base of the arrowhead, like in herald points especially. I don't know why, but they like to capture some of the cortex in the base of the arrowhead on the herald and Toya points. Yeah, so I can try to do that. I've tried to do that for years, and it's very difficult to capture some of that color variation. I know why they captured it, and it was incidental. It was the way they spalled these. They spalled them by hitting on the cortex, and the spalls that come off have some of the cortex on the bulb side. And I think they would knap with the bulb side on the base. And it's just incidental that they would capture some of the color variation. Okay. Alrighty. So that's it. That's all there is. So what I do, this is double boxed as well. See that? 2 boxes. So it's a lesson in how to pack it well. I just put most of the packaging back in the bottom as a cushion and then throw all the rocks back in. Okay, so yeah, thanks, Sal. Let's do 1 obsidian spall, and that'll be at the end of the video. Let's see. I don't want to ruin the length of it, so let me take some off of a part that won't ruin the length. Let's see. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh yeah, it's a Dacite. And it did take off some of the length, right? But it's okay because I'm not too worried about it. This is a good spall in itself. I can make something out of that. Yeah. Cool. That is a Dacite. It looks black buttery, but it has layers. It might have some layers that might interfere with the thinning. We shall see. Yeah, I got to mark these. Or I got to mark this one as one from Sal, so I don't get it mixed up with the other ones I've got. Okay, all righty. Come on. This is just preliminary. I gotta find my big marker so I can mark this so I can read it. I can't read this. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. What do they do with the cover? Oh, where do the cap? All right, I'll find the cap in a minute. Okay. That was good. Exciting. That's it.